Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best odor locking foot pedal diaper pail you can get your hands on, the Ubbi stainless steel diaper pail in taupe. If you're a new parent or building your baby registry, this might just be the game-changing product you didn't know you needed. Let's start with what makes the Ubbi stand out immediately. It's made from powder-coated stainless steel, not plastic. Why does that matter? Because steel doesn't absorb odors the way plastic does. That means the unpleasant smell of diapers stays sealed in, not lingering in your nursery. The design is sleek, minimalist, and this taupe version blends into just about any nursery aesthetic effortlessly. One of the most loved features is the sliding lid. This isn't just a gimmick, it's engineered to minimize air disruption. That smooth gliding mechanism means every time you open and close it, you're not letting smells escape. The lid itself locks with a child-proof switch, which is a huge plus if you've got a curious toddler roaming around. Another big win for parents. No special bags required. Unlike other diaper disposal systems that lock you into buying expensive refills or proprietary bags, the Ubbi lets you use any standard trash bag. That means savings in the long run, and one less thing to remember at the store. Just pop in a regular bag, slide the lid shut, and you're good to go. Don't let its compact look fool you. This pail can hold up to 55 newborn-sized diapers. That means fewer trips to the trash can, especially in those early days when diaper changes happen around the clock. Its size is practical without being bulky. Measuring just under 20 inches tall and a little over 8 inches wide, it fits comfortably next to your changing station. Now for maintenance, it couldn't be easier. The exterior is designed to be wiped clean with a dry cloth, so upkeep is simple. No assembly is required, either. Just unbox it and it's ready to use straight away. And if taupe isn't your color? Don't worry, the Ubbi pail comes in a wide range of stylish and neutral tones, so you can match it to your nursery's look. Whether you're into pastels, bold colors, or monochrome minimalism, there's a finish for you. It's no surprise that this is the most award-winning diaper pail on the market. It's scooped up 9 different parenting product awards, and for good reason. It's functional, sleek, and parent-friendly. Now, while this pail doesn't have a foot pedal like some other models, the sliding lid design allows for one-handed operation, which is often just as efficient, especially when you've got a baby in your arms. Whether you're a first-time parent or looking for an upgrade to your current system, the Ubbi offers a premium experience with practical benefits, steel construction, money-saving design, and great odor control. Thanks for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've used the Ubbi and want to share your experience. Until next time, happy parenting.